Now I've soldered on these connectors, crimped them on, and you can see they're all three different, so nobody can get confused. There's no polarity. All this switch is doing is making a closure. So we'll debut it together. You just want to make sure you get the right ones. Don't, if you mix them, well, your ground's going to be common, but it'll go to the wrong side. And if you do two grounds, you get absolutely nothing. And shoot it by here. First one, you can see the lights going. Second one, third one. We have success. That's all you need to do. Put your garage doors on there with a button, so you don't have to put one of these remotes there, because it is not pretty. Good luck with your project.